Welcome to the tutorial video. This time, we will review everything about the RFID patch. First, we will review how to attach it. This RFID patch is placed the same way as a puncture patch. Therefore, with our tool, we will scrape the area where we will place the patch, and then we will apply this spray, which is optional, to help remove any excess rubber that remains after scraping. It is always important to scrape and then remove the excess with this optional spray. Once the area is clean, we proceed to apply the glue or cold cement. We will do this generously with our brush, applying it to the entire area where our RFID patch will be installed. After applying the glue, we need to wait a few minutes for it to cool down. After 1 or 2 minutes, we feel it with our hand, and when it is no longer too sticky or liquid, we place our patch. The patch comes with 2 stickers that protect it. The idea is to use these stickers to handle it without contaminating the area. We remove both stickers, first one to avoid contamination, and then proceed to stick it in the area where we applied the glue or cold cement. We position it and finally remove the stickers that helped us avoid contamination. Once removed and well placed in the desired position, we can proceed to the final step, rolling it to fix it and avoid air bubbles. The idea is to roll it firmly around the entire edge of the patch to prevent it from peeling off in the future. I should mention that I have an image of the patch with the antenna and the chip, which has 2 welding points. Therefore, we need to roll it firmly around the edge of the RFID patch, but we must avoid rolling over the central area. We can get close enough, but avoid passing over the center. The roller should be passed in this direction. When we are in the central area, it should be placed and pressed vertically. If we pass it horizontally, we could affect the functioning of the patch and desolder the chip from the antenna. Roll it firmly around the entire edge and avoid getting too close to the center. Continuing, once we have rolled it, the next step is to assign or link a tire number to this RFID patch. To do this, we enter the application, click on the menu and select the Tires module. We search for the number, which in this case is 10.542. Once on the screen, we select it and go to options where we click on the Assign RFID option. This turns on the TLGX3 machine and links that tire to the patch. Recommendation: when you are in the process of assigning the number, bring the machine close to the patch before pressing Assign RFID. Because if another patch is in your pocket, it may link that tire number to the wrong patch. Bring the machine close to the patch and then press Assign RFID. Once detected, it will link. Now, let's review how to search for a tire with the RFID patch. We enter the Tyres application in the module, select the second option, which is the Tyres module, where you could enter the tyre number. We click on the Search by RFID option. This activates the machine, and when we pass near the patch, it finds it and displays it on the main screen. There we can select it and confirm that it is the correct tyre number. Let's now review the mounting or assignment to a vehicle. When working in the application, we enter actions. Select the empty position we want to assign and press the RFID button. The machine finds the patch, we confirm that the number is correct and assign it. Here the tyre number is linked via RFID. The inspection of a tyre with RFID first requires confirming that the tyre matches the installed patch. To inspect, we first have to confirm the RFID patch. We enter actions select the tyre in question, and when pressing options, RFID check appears. We cannot inspect depth or pressure without first checking the RFID. When we click on RFID check, the machine activates, we confirm the patch, and we can perform the inspection. We inspect the pressure by deflating the valve, and then inspect the tyre treads, from outside to inside, filling in all the fields with the machine. Finally, we accept. These are all the functionalities of the system regarding RFID.